Another way to change audio sources is to use the voice assistant. For example, "Hey Toyota, tune to The Highway on Sirius XM." You can also call the voice assistant with the touch of a button. Simply tap the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. Your voice assistant can do a lot, like making Bluetooth hands-free calls, adjusting climate controls, turning your music volume up and down, and more. With an active Drive Connect trial or subscription, you also have access to Intelligent Assistant, which uses cloud technology to process more complex demands and questions like, "Give me today's weather," or "What did Toyota stock close at yesterday?" To access Intelligent Assistant, tap the Push-to-Talk button. Find the closest gas station.
The closest gas station is Shell at 16601 Madison Road. Would you like to go now?
Because Intelligent Assistant uses machine learning, the more you use it, the better it will recognize your unique voice and patterns over time. As an added tip, be sure to wait for the tone before giving voice commands and make sure you're speaking clearly into the driver's side microphone.